Back working on a cedar canvas canoe. Got a few broken ribs in here due to a tree falling on it, and section of the inwale broken. So we're going to get to steaming some ribs over the outside, over the good end of the canoe. So working on the good end of the canoe, I've got a bunch of ribs that I've soaked for several days and steamed for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now I'm bending them over the outside of the canoe, a little bit closer to the end of the canoe as to where they would actually go. Hence the outside diameter will be a little larger than the inside diameter. Pretty straightforward. Just clamp to one inwale, pull it over the other side, and clamp her down. I think I've got about 7 to 9 to do at this end to replace the hole you've seen in the other end of the canoe. To see more videos on canoe restoration, kayak building, canoe building, and other projects, follow my channel and subscribe now.